In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp dashboard widget that shows changes over time. We're going to walk through this step by step to ensure you can follow along easily and create a tool that helps you keep track of project progress effortlessly. To get started, you need to navigate to ClickUp's website. Whether you're new or returning, you'll want to make sure you're on the main homepage. Once you're there, look for the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, and clicking on it will take you to the login screen. Now, if you use Google to streamline your sign-ins, you'll be pleased to know that ClickUp integrates with Google. Simply click on the option that says Continue with Google. This will quickly bring up a list of your Google accounts. Select the one associated with your ClickUp account, and you'll be logged in with just a click. Convenient, isn't it? Now, once you're logged in, we need to head over to the specific project you're working on. Let's say we're focusing on Project 1 today. Locate this project in your list of active projects. It's usually visible right when you log in, or you might need to navigate through a few tabs if you've got a full plate. Click on it, and this will bring you to that project's overview. You're looking for the View option here. Clicking on View will give you more insight into the project specifics. And there, you should see a Dashboard tab. Head over to the Dashboard section by clicking on it. Dashboards are a fantastic way to visualize your project data and keep everything organized in one place. Once here, you're going to set up a widget that tracks changes over time, a perfect tool to automatically refresh and update daily. This widget will provide all the conclusions and insights you need without you having to dig and dive into every detail manually. Isn't that a game changer? That's essentially how you create a ClickUp dashboard widget that shows changes over time. This will ensure that you're always up to speed with what's going on in your projects, making tasks easier and your workflow much smoother. If at any point you find yourself stuck, remember you can refer back to this guide or poke around the ClickUp user forums for advice. They're a great resource too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this has made it easier for you to harness the full power that ClickUp dashboards offer. Do subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with more useful guides. Until next time, happy organizing!